So yo people, welcome to my channel, and the very first video I'm gonna do is how to become a racer in India. Why? Because when I came to Chennai 3 years back, there was no one to tell me what to do, and it took me around a year just to find out what are the rules and regulation one needs to follow. Let me jump this. Oh, I cannot jump this. Can I jump this? Yes, I can jump this. Fuck it. So when I came to Chennai 3 years back, I didn't know anything about racing, and Crazy Joe was kind enough to help me with the racing rules and everything and what is the Indian scenario. So how to become a racer in India? Okay, it got around 5 steps, and the very first step is what this video is about. That is a racing school. As per rule, after 2015, any new rider who comes to racing, yes, yeah, right, yeah, any new rider who comes to racing needs to go to, okay, the reason I'm riding slow is because I have a shoulder injury. I'm not allowed to ride a motorcycle, but I'm doing it on a scooty, so I can try it, but that's why I'm riding slow. So any rider who comes for the first time to the racing scenario needs to go to a racing school, needs to get a certificate stating that he has done so and so level, and then he can go and get the FMSCI license. FMSCI is the Federation of Motorsport Clubs of India, which are actually the governing body for Indian motorsport, which is then governed by FIM, that is Federation International Motorcyclists. So yeah, the question is mainly what all racing school one can go in India to get that certificate. There are many schools who don't provide that certificate. There are many who does, and there are many who are costly as fuck. Yes, there are not many cheap schools in India right now. So how many schools are there in India one can go to? The very first and my personal favorite is the MMSC TVS riding school. That is the school me and Joe went to because we didn't need to learn so much. We were riding, like we were practicing before also, and we were riding before, and so we just needed the certificate actually, and we went to that school. That school is just for 3,000 rupees, and the best part is they will give you a race bike, they will give you a TVS Apache 180 race prepped, they will give you racing suit, boots, gloves, food for the day, a full day of track riding, and the petrol for the bike. Yes, all that in 3,000. So that is a really good school if you want to go. I will put the link down below for every school. You can check it out. All the details will be there. If I have missed on something, the school detail will be there. What the fuck? Okay, the second school and one of the most famous school from 2010, I think, is the Apex Racing Academy. They are really old. Yeah, I took that. So yeah, anyways, so the school is Apex Racing Academy, and they are doing it from last 6 or 7 years. They have done really good. They have given India a lot of national champions, a lot of Asian road racing winners. They are not cheap. They are a bit costly. They cost around 25,000 for 2 days of track riding, and with Apex, it's per level. They have 4 levels of training. Okay, the first one is just the basic one, which will teach you about what all you need to remember on the track, how you conduct yourself on the track. So yeah, in 25,000, it's not a complete rip-off actually. They give you 2 days of track riding, 2 days, 2 night stay, food for both of the 2 days, and transportation from your hotel to the track for the 2 days. So it's really good. But and yeah, you can get a level 1 certificate and you can go racing. That's it. It's up to you after that you need to go for level 2, 3, 4 or not. It's just up to you. Yeah, and so the third one is Honda 1010th Racing Academy. Honda, with collaboration with 1010th Racing, are doing a Honda racing school from last 2 or 3 years. They are doing it good, and as they are a Honda sponsored team, they are providing CBR 150 and 250 for the training. For CBR 150 it's around 9,000 something, and for CBR 250 it's around 14,000. Their cost varies a lot because they do it all over India. So if they are doing it at MMSC, they will cost you around 10,000. If they are doing it on a on a go-kart track, they will cost you around somewhere around 6 or 5,000. Okay, the cost changes a lot, so you need to check the link down below for 1010th Racing, and you need to check the current the current course fees and everything. 1010 Racing have many good riders to teach you, like Sarat Kumar, Matana Kumar, Hari Krishnan, Rajiv Setu. All are international riders, and they will be your coach for the day. So 1010 Racing School is a really good school to go to. Coming to the fourth one is my personal favorite right now, the most famous racing school in India right now, by the most famous racer in India, the 12-time national champion, the 2015 Malaysian Superbike champion, Mr. Rajni has started his school, that is Rajni Academy of Competitive Racing. Yes, they are also doing it pan India, all over India they are doing it, and it's really good, The national champion, he will come and teach you on the track, man. What more you can ask for? The legendary K. Rajni is your on-track coach, and he is really good in teaching, because he is still racing. Rajni Academy of Competitive Racing, they cost you around 9,000 for a go-kart track, and around 15 to 25,000 for bigger tracks like BIC. They are doing it pan India. They are doing all categories. They are doing it for super bikes. They are doing for 100cc bikes. And I will put the link for Rajni Anna's Academy also. You can check that. Okay. And finally, for ladies, there is this school. Alisha Abdullah is doing a school in collaboration with TVS. That is a training school for women or something. I am not sure. I will put the name after I cross check it. It's only for girls. She costs around 3,000 for the entry in the school, and then if you are selected I mean if you have the potential to become a racer. If you are a girl in India and you have the potential to become a racer, you need to go to the Alisha Abdullah Racing Academy. You need to pay 3,000. They will see how good you perform, and if you perform really well, that's right, they will take you for 5,000 per session. You can pay just 5,000 and you can come for a track day and learn. And the final racing school, guys, the most famous racing school, the best racing school in the world, California Superbike School. Yes, California Superbike School, or CSS, is coming to India from last 2 or 3 years. They are the best school to go to, but they are fucking costly. Okay, they are 70,000 for 2 days. So if you have the money and if you want to learn the art of racing and you want to learn from the best, you should go to California Superbike School. They will be coming. 2016 classes are done. Now they will be coming in 2017. I don't have any link of their Indian page. I don't have any link for the California Superbike School India, so I will put the school link for California or their international racing school link, and you can go down below to their website and their Facebook page and ask them when they are coming to India, which is the best thing. That being said, we are at the end of our video. If you have any pointers for me, do give me. I will make the changes. I will try to improve the second video based on what you people comment. And if you like the video, do share and subscribe. And also a request to all the people watching this video is, if you have a person who is racing on the street, tell him not to race on the streets, okay? Tell him go to a track, and if he asks how can I do it, show him this video. There will be more parts coming up for the videos where I will be making more videos like this, and I will be talking more about how to become a racer in India. More videos are coming up. The second part is the FMSCI license. I will be talking about the FMSCI license soon enough. After this video, I think around 3 or 4 days. So yes, if you guys like it, like the video, subscribe and share.